Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel TT Logic, and in this video we are going to solve a nice algebraic problem. And here we have to solve a nice BODMAS rule problem. And so here which is 8 divided by 2 and then bracket 2 plus 2. And so here it is. First of all we solve is first case first. And here 8 divided by 2, then bracket and 2 plus 2. And now here we apply BODMAS rule, and BODMAS rule is first uses brackets. So here we use this bracket, and 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, and then this 2 and divide 8. So this 8 divide 2 and multiply 4, and now this 8 divide 2, 2 divide 8 is equal to 4, and then multiply 4 and is equal to 16. And now here it is, we apply wrong BODMAS rule, so it is wrong. And so here we see in second case second. And now 8 divided by 2 bracket 2 plus 2, and here 8 divided by 2 and this bracket 2 plus 2 and this bracket. So this 2 to 4 and multiply this 2 and divided by 8. And now this 4 to 8 and then divided by 8. So 8 divided by 8 is equal to 1. And now here it is correct application of BODMAS rule. Correct. And so here we again another trick, which is 8 divided by 2 and bracket 2 plus 2. And now 8 divided by 2 and 2 plus 2. So here this 8 and then over this 2 bracket 2 plus 2 and this 8, 2 plus 2 is 4 and 4 to 8, and 8 divided by 8 is equal to 1. And so in this correct answer. And now here it is a correct use of BODMAS rule. And now here it is another question, and which is we solve BODMAS rule. So it is 4 plus 8 divided by 2 and minus 5. So here is we help the BODMAS rule, and so here is first use is bracket, and now it is not seen a bracket. And then second is divide, so we can be solve divide. And 4 plus 8 over this 2 and minus 5. 2 divided 8 is 4, and now this 4 plus 4 minus 5. And so here it is in Bodmer's rule. First is bracket, and second is off, and third is divide, and fourth is multiplication, fifth is addition, and sixth is subtraction. So here it is addition and subtraction, and we solve first is addition, and now 4 plus 4 is 8, and in the last is subtract them, and 8 minus 5 is equal to 3, and here it is our correct answer. So here again a nice question is Bodmer's rule. 36 plus 12 divided by 3, and now it is not seen bracket, and in the next step is divide. So here we solve this divide, and now this 36 and plus 12 divide 3 is equal to 4, and 36 plus 4 is equal to 40, and here we apply correct Woodman's rule. So here it is another question, which is 12 plus bracket 16 minus and curly bracket 5 plus small bracket 12 minus 3, and then close all brackets. So here we solve, first of all we solve bracket, and now in the first case is small bracket, so we use this bracket and solve it. 12 minus 3 is equal to 9, and then this small bracket is closed, so this plus and 5, and then here it is a curly bracket. So we use again this bracket, solve this question, and 9 plus 5 is equal to 14, and then this bracket is closed, so this 14 minus 16 and in the bracket, and now here we use 16, we use this bracket, so 16 minus 14 is equal to 2, and then plus this 12, and then this 12 plus 2 is equal to 14, and here it is our correct answer. So thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.